This project began as a simple experiment in my garage, but it turned into something much more meaningful. Life has had its challenges, and having a hands-on project like this has been a vital outlet, almost like therapy. When I first posted a few clips of the Cyberplow on TikTok, I was blown away by the response. Nearly 20,000 followers and millions of views later, I was inspired to document the entire process for YouTube. I set myself a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the minimum for monetization. Not because I expected to make money, but as a personal challenge. I'll admit, I'm not big a fan of attention, and speaking English naturally on camera isn't exactly my strength.
So there is one thing I want.
That's why I'm using this AI voice in this video. I hope that's okay. Despite that, it's been fun sharing this journey, proving to myself that I can be both creative and hardworking. Now, on December 27th, I've surpassed 1,970 subscribers on YouTube. Some of my videos have tens of thousands of views, and people around the world have collectively spent years watching me work in my garage here in Norway. This is my first month of monetization, and I've made about $100, far more than I ever expected. Still, this project was never about money. If it were, I would have failed miserably. What it has given me is a sense of purpose during a hard time, valuable lessons, and a much-needed break from everyday life. If you don't already have a hobby like this, I can't recommend it enough. Find something ambitious and a little crazy to work on. Commit to finishing it, no matter how long it takes. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of creating. Now, let's talk about the Cyberplow itself. Based on a steel frame and sheet metal, it's powered by two 500-watt DC motors, geared down to 600 revolutions per minute to drive snowblower wheels. The drivetrain features custom-made 20mm axles, sprockets, and motorcycle chains for reliable four-wheel drive. For power, it uses two car batteries wired to provide 24 volts, all controlled via an RC transmitter paired with a Sabertooth 2x 60 amps motor controller. A fail-safe system cuts power if the signal is lost or an emergency stop is triggered. At the front, a custom snowplow blade is mounted on a lift system with 3 linear actuators for smooth, precise adjustments. Bright LED lights make plowing stylish and functional day or night. Honestly, it's like driving a massive RC car, but one that actually gets work done. If you're curious about how it came together, my YouTube channel has detailed videos covering every step, from welding the frame to wiring the electronics, and there's more to come. I've got big plans for future upgrades, and I'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for following along on this journey. If you haven't already, hit subscribe to stay tuned for more. Who knows, maybe this inspires your next big garage project.